Oh, একটা phone tower. So I got a phone tower over here. There's a phone tower over here. I can see a phone tower. I think this is what kind of phone tower is this? A normal phone tower, BTS type of phone tower. So we're going to move forward. Let's see what we can find in forward. As you can see, a red t-shirted and a black pant, tall guy. That's my big brother. And what I got here? What is this? Probably this the earthworm make this type of soil. And as you can see, there's a forest over here. No one over here, only us. Let's go. Just bike. Yes. আসেন তো ভয় কিসের? ওরা কি এই পাশ দিয়ে আসছে নাকি?
আইসি তোর ওদিকে কোথায় যাবেন তবে? ওদিকে যাওয়া আছে?
যাওয়া যাইবে।
হ্যাঁ?